Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to mute a story which you don't want to see when you open your Instagram app. I'll also show you how to unmute the story. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So every time you open Instagram, you will see updates from your friends, family and businesses that you follow in form of Instagram stories. At times, the user's Instagram story may be a little too much and annoying. To deal with this kind of situation, Instagram has introduced the mute option. Muting someone's story is great because it doesn't notify them that their content is being suppressed. It is also a simple way to take a break from another person's content for a while without unfriending or blocking them. So let me show you how to do it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now on the home page at the top, select which Instagram story account you want to mute. Long press on it. Then you'll see some options appear at the bottom. Tap on mute to mute the story from that Instagram account. Now you'll get these options. Select mute story. From now on, when you start Instagram, you will not see the person's Instagram story appear at the top. In order to see it, you need to visit the profile page and then tap on the user's profile picture. To unmute a user's Instagram story, go back to the home page of Instagram. Now swipe right and find the Instagram user. You have mute. It will be in a darker shade to show you it has been disabled. Now when you find it, long press on it and you should get this menu at the bottom. Tap on unmute story. That user's Instagram story will now be back into your Instagram story carousel. And there you go, that is how to mute and unmute Instagram story on your Instagram app. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.